Alright, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to have a couple of videos. First video, I'm going to talk about the interference that stuff has with shortwave radio, right? So we'll just talk about iPhones and your microwave. If you have a microwave, this one's in the kitchen here. It's an old brand, I think from the 70s. I mean, but it still works good when you need to use a microwave for something. But most of the time I like to heat stuff on the stove or in the oven. Anyway, so here, have a look. I mean, people are warned all the time about cell phones being too close to your head and your brain and your body, and how you can have health issues and whatnot. And obviously the same goes for microwaves. Oh, you don't want to be too close to it, which is true. Microwaves are dangerous if you're too close. You know, we want to be careful with things like this. So anyways, this is not tuned into any particular frequency, and I'm just going to show you what happens when you get too close to the front of the cell phone. That's almost touching it right there. Basically is touching it. Now I'm going to turn it around. Okay, so there is a little bit of shielding on the back, right? But this is just a clear front, right? Alright. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the phone over here out of the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the microwave, because I went ahead and I put a cup in here with some liquid, and I'm just going to go ahead and start the microwave. Oops. Now the front of this microwave has some type of a shielding there, but it's not a complete shielding because you need to see through it, right? Now we're not really getting any issues at the moment, but watch. Let's see what happens. Okay, that corner, we got issues. Look out. Look what happens. Let's back up. Antenna is now about 2.5 feet. Let's see, I'll put it here. Now it's quote unquote off. See? So there is something going on there. Let's go ahead and hit it for another let's go ahead and hit it for another minute, 30 seconds. That's about 1 foot away there. Yeah. Alright, so the reality is yes, even with the shielding on the microwave, you're still getting roughly 2 to 3 feet of RF radiation coming off of the microwave. So, you know, do not get close to the microwave, you know, if it's in operation. Just don't do it, because it can harm you. You know, it can harm you. So we'll get back in another video and we'll talk more about shortwave. So I will see you there.